You say you want me, you better want me now. You got me all up in my head.
Hi loves, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to today's video. So we're starting out today's video right here. I want to take hubby's clothes to the laundry. I want them to wash, put starch and iron his clothes. Okay, so this is what I am doing right here. I'm just picking up the clothes and about stepping out. So I hope you enjoyed today's video with me. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. Kindly hit the subscribe button to officially join the family. Like the video, share it, and leave your comments as well. So loves, this is random days in our life. Collect my card. Yeah. Close. Got my card, so I'll go. Keep the ball. Muna, I said keep that ball.
I've been in on your body every night in the party. Don't you feel the same for me? Hey.
It's done. Okay. Then leave the things.
I did not give you discount from the duvet. So he asked me to be doing discount. But now if first bring them again, so I will do discount later. You don't come accept the discount. But I told him that you are customer, so I have to do discount for this one.
Sort of after the laundry, I went to my sister's house. She just came back from the market and she good things. She said she want to cook soup, stew, and she also want to cook native jollof rice. So these are the ingredients. We have meat, we have pomo with crayfish, this big crayfish, we have prawns, we have yellow pepper, saint leaf, and she has this okpei abi, yeah, locust beans. So she's pounding the pepper. She always put her pepper, tomatoes inside freezer. So here is fish, chicken, and all the protein she's gonna use to cook the food. And there's oil on the pot. She's gonna start by steaming her oil. Then add us. Then she added the tomato that she pounded and pepper that she pounded. There's pomo inside. There's crayfish, meat spices. This tasted so amazing. Okay, here now she's adding extra more pepper because she said she wants it a bit spicy. This tastes so well. She now tin tomato, one tin tomato. She's using Gino tin tomato for this recipe, and she's gonna turn. Now she just added the locust beans. We call it okpei abi. Am I right? Let me know in the comment section. Locust beans, yeah. So she just added locust inside. All right, then she's gonna turn everything together. So for it to get that the tastes. Okay, so this is what we have in. She just turning, and as I said, this was so amazing. Like food sweet though. So this is the dry prawns. Okay, she's going to be added inside, and now she have added stockfish for more meat water. She's gonna mix. Then we use this fish for the rice. Like she fried the fish, she deep fried the fish. This is the result of the rice. So loves, this is in the night hubby brought some fish and grilled fish. So this is like a foodie vlog, okay? Foodies I ate, okay? Just foodie vlog, all right? So I'm just here enjoying grilled fish and potato with pepper sauce. Like, yo, this combination is so amazing. And I was just diluting it with this my yeah. So I just diluting it with that. Keep on watching. If you watch this and you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it, leave your commentaries as well, okay? Me, I see this one. There's no paper inside out.
Mama,
I made Madame's hair. Just finished folding this clothes. Don't put that inside your mouth. Give me. Keep the clothes. Give me. Mona. Give mommy. Give mommy. Give me. See your face. And hi guys.
this one.
I want to fold this your clothes and go and cook. You and hi guys.
And this one. Mama, you cook by the bye-bye. Okay.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Boom ba dum ba da boom ba da bing bam boom bing bam boom. So guys, this was the next day. My sister asked us to come out for lunch, and we came to this ice cream bar stroke Pizza Hut. Okay, I tried to order for ice cream for me and baby girl. This is what this place looks like. My sister was over there waiting for our pizza to get ready. So yeah, we just enjoyed ourselves like girls outing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Days in my life. Yeah, me folding clothes, eating, cooking, and the rest. Yeah, so I hope this little clip with all this is just like a mini vlog. Okay, I hope you enjoy it with me. If you're new to the channel, hello, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking the video to watch. My name is Jessica, a mom of a little princess that's standing over there, based in Abuja, Nigeria. Kindly subscribe, like the video, share it, comment. Like in my channel, I'm all about motherhood, cleaning, motivation, homemaking, everything about life. Yeah, interracial family, everything, lifestyle in general. So if you are interested in this, stay tuned. You have OP, right? Eh? You say what? They're telling me to violate my this thing. Thank you. You take ice cream. Maybe it's pizza. Want your own ice cream?
Jiggy, deep down inside my liver.
Nem, look at me. Smile, baby.
This head no bad, Sha.
Yeah, it's fine.